Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade AliExpress haul video. But first up, I'm so excited, I got mail. You guys remember Pam, one of the giveaway winners? Well, she has received her goodies and she sent me a mail, and let's open it. I already opened it. I was so excited, but look at what she sent me. Oh my god, this is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. So gorgeous. I love it. Look at the shines. It is so beautiful. Cards by Pam Stone. Very gorgeous. Thank you so much, Pam. I love it. You really didn't have to. I'm so happy to send you guys these giveaways because they are really duplicates, and if I don't give it to you guys, it will just sit here. So yeah, there's, as of right now, before October 5th, there is 6 open giveaways. Feel free to go and apply for all of them. Wow, there's just 2 in 1. It's a very tight package. Alright, stamps. Okay, let's see what we have here. First up, a little garden set with cat sleep on the books. Very thin lines, very good details, and room to color. And here's a matching set. I think same designer. Yeah, like you can see the same type of font. There's some English and German, French, right? French. I gotta start learning French. Very good lines, very good details. I love the paint brushes. Super cute. And then this one, also same designer, I believe. Mermaids. French, right? I think so. The L, the little thing. Very good. Matching one for the mermaid. So like a sea set. A very Edgar Allan Poe vibes from this scroll. And then we got houses, which I absolutely love, like the little houses. Sometimes they're really small, so it's harder to color. Yeah, but it's easy if you color with pencil. With markers, it's a little bit difficult. Oh my god, look at these. Who drew this? Somebody out there drew this. The eyes. That octopus looks stoned. That's all I can say. That's so funny. It's a lot bigger than I expected, to be honest. There's no sentiments on it. Well, just one over here. Pretty good. We got a submarine. I think it's cartoony enough for cards, but also really good for journals. Here we have a lady swimming. I really like that these stamps, they don't, a lot of the stamps I recently bought, the girls or women are on it have a normal body shape. As you can tell, that's not a skinny girl. So I think it's really amazing how they start to normalize normal bodies and not just stick figures. Crabs. Look how cute this is. Adorable. And it's one big image, so you can get very creative with the colors. Very cute. And thin line too, so it's gonna be good quality. This is also a full image. So you have the tree and a little path to the house. Very nice. And with this one, you can do the background night or day. Very good. There is this big one. Very good. Christmassy. Wait, hold on. I think this is a duplicate. Or this was in a different set. Because I remember not long ago on another haul video I mentioned that I called out that this is a cake. That's my favorite cake. It's like a Swiss roll. So it's just like the rolled up cake. And they make it look like a wood piece in this drawing. Yes, I think this is a duplicate. You know what happens with duplicates? Giveaway. Dream. Now this also cartoony enough to do on cards, but it's also really good for journals. Bullet journal, daily tracker maybe. Very nice. Thin colors. Room to color. Thin lines, I mean. Ooh, let's see what's in here. Sticker. Mushroom sticker, that is. So this is lots and lots of mushrooms. It does not say how many pieces. It does not show the designs. But it looks very good quality, good colors, good printer. I will show you guys these one by one on the sticker videos. Okay, last package for this video. More stamps. Who would have thought? I'm joking, I already knew that. These, I did not have this, but I do have the jars and I can put stuff inside of it, but this already comes with stuff inside of it, so you know, it's really good for both cards and journals. Very good, very clear, very good details. This I call background elements. It's mostly to take up space in journals where there are white spots and then need to put something over there. Very interesting. So this is a Moot Tracker. There are numbers in here for the days, for the date, like the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, and so on. And then you can color it by whatever mood you're in. Or you can just do the weather tracker. But it's also good for mood. Also, a bullet journal for trackers. Workout trackers. Very nice, very good details. Pretty small, this one, but I think it's good enough. Yeah. Alright, that was it for this video. Lots of good stuff. Stamps. No dies today, just stamps. I hope you like this video. I put links down below where you can find some of the stuff I ordered, and then just look at the seller, and it's usually the same sellers that I go back to and order from, and they have a lot more stuff. So that's a good start to find treasures. Alright, that was it. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and feel free to enter for those giveaways.